The local government of Baguio assured the holding of the Panagbenga will push through next year. This year, the flower festival was postponed because of the threat posed by COVID-19. Breves Bulsao tells us more.
The city government of Baguio assures that the celebration of the well-known Baguio Flower Festival, or the Panagbenga, on February next year will push through. This is after the celebration was cancelled this year due to the threat of the COVID-19. Mayor Benjamin Magalong said that the festivity will be simple. Programs and activities planned for the festival will be localized. The usual highlights of the festival, namely Grand Street Dancing Competition and the float parade, will not be conducted.
Yes, anyway, it's a subdued activity. Wala naman yung mga parada, wala naman na yung mga float parade, wala na rin yung mga grand events. Magkakaroon lang tayo ng simple na ceremony, and at the same time, magkakaroon lang tayo ng landscaping na very limited naman. Kaya natin i-limit yung mga number of people naman doon sa mga sites natin.
Instead, landscape and different artworks of local artists in the city will be showcased in the said festival, similar to the works exhibited during the celebration of the Ibaguio Festival. The city government anticipates the participation of the residents in the said activity while abiding with the health and safety protocols.
It will be a very simple lang na opening. After that, yung wala ng parada. So after that, yung landscaping, yung gardens natin, exhibits, yun lang siguro ang mga highlights nun for next year.
Meanwhile, the city government is continuously monitoring any updates regarding the new strain of COVID-19 for possible enactment of stringent protocols. Breves Bulsao for the Nation.